An adulterous affair can progressively eat away at your finances. Consider the man who begins an exciting sexual affair with a woman who satisfies his erotic fantasies. He becomes so mesmerized that he throws caution to the wind and spends days off work to slip away to meet his lover. A couple of months into the affair, however, things begin to change. His lover begins to place uncomfortable demands on his time and money. When he attempts to end the affair, his lover begins making threats to call his wife and share the intimate details of the affair. When this occurs, instead of ending the affair, the man appeases his lover with the empty promise of a future together, even though he never intends to leave his wife. The game goes on until one day his lover says she's pregnant and needs money to prepare for the birth of the new baby. To pacify his lover, the married man begins to juggle finances at home until his wife notices financial problems. After a while, the financial problems trigger marital discord that eventually leads to divorce. Financial problems increase exponentially after he is ordered to pay alimony and child support to his ex-wife. Every dollar he gets is divided between 2 or 3 households. Ironically, when the man started the secret sexual affair, he had discretionary income to entice women and bargain for sexual favors. However, after indulging his unrestrained lust, his new financial responsibilities, like alimony payments and child support payments, have put a squeeze on his finances to the degree that he can barely pay his own living expenses. So learn from this man, because adultery can wreck your marriage, drain your finances, and send you to the poorhouse. This has been a Marriage Success Moment presented by Dr. David Stevens.